Hi, we would like to introduce you in this video all the functionalities we have in the RhinoGold Cloud. We have created this tool thinking with anybody who wants to organize all their designs in a library or a catalog. In the RhinoGold Cloud, we have two different sections. So one is the section where we are going to upload the design we have created. We will find it just there. So we will go here and we will start to upload the design to the cloud. I will show you later on how to do it. And the other section that we have created is where we will have the total control of our catalog. We will manage all these parameters from our dashboard. As you can see, in the TDM users dashboard, we have the cloud section. We have all these tabs, which drives us to a lot of information like the cloud overview, what show us how many visits do we have, which is the most built model, and so on. We have the collections, the pricing, the timing, but I will show you this in a real case. So I think that the best thing I can do is just go to the RhinoGold. I have this model here, and now I say, look, I would like to have this in my library. So what we do, we select all the items, we go to the cloud, and we have different options here. We have all the models. As you can see now, at this stage I don't have any, but then we have a folder tab where we can add a new category. So probably before I start to publish my new model, the one that I have in the layout, what I will do is create a new category. For example, I can just put the name solitaires. So from now on, every time that I create a solitaire, I will go to publish the new model and choose the solitaires category. But what I can do as well, and this is one of the main reasons we create the cloud as well, is just instead having categories for the different kinds of jewelry we have. What if we are a designer and we have different customers? We can make folders for each of our customers. So we'll go here and we will say jewelry 1. This will be a customer. Then we can go here and say jewelry 2, and so on. So the good thing of that is that every time that we go to any of our categories, just say that you want to share this with your customer jewelry 1, we can send him the link of this collection, of this catalog, that will be his own one, and he will have only access to this category. But now let's keep uploading the model that we created in our layout. So I have all these different categories, but I will put the design that I made, this tension solitaire, in the solitaires collection. So publish new model, and here's when it says add a component. Okay, which component do I want to start with? I will start with the shank. Enter. So we already have the primary metal here, the shank, and it's asking us what kind of materials you would like to have this design with. Just say 18 karat white, and why not 18 carats yellow. That's enough. As you can see, you can choose a big variety of different carats, colors, but then just say let's go for the next component. That probably will be the center stone. Let's gonna add it. Here we have diamond color. I'm having of this. As you can see, you can choose with all this big variety of stones. If you want, we can put, for example, another one, diamond cognac. And then let's go for another one. What will be the last material we have to set? There we go. All the diamonds are here. And material. Look, we have it in diamond color. We can choose, for example, diamond. We can remove this one, and we can add another material. Just say we can put tourmalines. Okay. Now let's go to the step 2. We can put here our own reference, for example, ref /001. Any subtitle that we would like just say tension solitaire. Description, you can put here if you want weights, finger size. We'll just say this is a test, and then here select a category. Here already comes out all the categories, or all the folders that we already created in the first step. So I will put this on the solitaires category, but just say that this is a design for a particular customer I have, and it's the jeweler one. I will put it just here, and all this design and the designs that I'm creating for him will go to that category. But I want this one in solitaires. Is this a ring? Yes. We have here the e-commerce integration, just that you have an SKU number. And then you see, please select the views to be displayed at the website of the model. So we have already all these ones. So we will choose, for example, this one. Publish model. And now it's already published and uploaded to the cloud. When we go to the solitaires, we already have it here. The tension solitaire reference 001. When we click on it, we have the ring here with all the different views. We have this view where we can see it from every angle, the top view, front view, side view. And the cool thing is that now, because we set all the different materials, if I go to the center stone, I say, look, I want the cognac, and for this one I want the black ones. So then in a snap I have all these variations. To say the primary metal, I want the band in yellow. So in 2 seconds we had a different model to show up to the customer, and for sure that he will love it. Here we have request contact, and then as you can see we have the time that this could be delivered, because I will show you in the dashboard that we have a calendar with all the days that we think this could take to produce it, and then the price not available because we didn't set up any price. And this is what brings me to the next section, that is the dashboard, and from the dashboard is where we will control everything about our collections and about our designs. So let's go to the dashboard. So overview. Here it says, for example, now because this is a test, we have 200 limit views. We already have done 2 because at the times that I get into the website. Model most visited is the 001. Current models views, total models. There is premium advanced statistics if you want. And here you have all my models. We have here the one that we upload, name, views, release date, status public. What else? Collections. Here's the collections that we created. We have a general folder where we have all the models, but if you go to solitaires, you see here the model that we have. This is what I was talking before. From here you can make it visible or not. Just say that I don't want it visible. Now if we go back to the if we go back to the overview and our models, here it says private. So this means that if we send already the link to this model and suddenly we don't want anybody to watch it, we just need to do this action and it will be private and nobody else will see it. So go back to collections, solitaires. To go inside the collection, we have view models. Go Cloud. Go Cloud means that you will go to the other side. What you will see from the website, not from our dashboard. Edit the collection. You can delete the collection, and this is a cool thing. This is copy the link. Just say that this is one of your customers' collection, and you want to send the link to him. Just you click here. It copies the link, you send an email him, copy paste, and done. View the models. We have it here. Then inside every model, what you can do? We can edit it. This is the information that we put before. And here we have many tags. We can put here as many tags as we can, just to make it more researchable. And once you've finished with all your work, you can update the model. Here tells us what metals is this made from. And this is all the stones that once you create the model, the cloud by itself defines all the different metals, the diamonds that we have, and the materials of these gemstones. We have the labor cost as well, and the shipment cost. So here we have a very detailed information from our model. And now you will wonder, how can I put all these prices here? We have been focusing a lot with that because we think that it's a very, very important thing. So what we did is we made a whole tab about this, and it's the pricing tab. We have three sub tabs here: metals, gems, and labor. Metals. This is the metals that we think that is most used. So gold, the pure gold, just say today is 36 euros gram, and which profit I want to have in this price. Now is this random, just say 10, and the same in all the materials. Say to, I don't know, now this 10 and 10. Profit, we can put here 20, not that much, 20 and 20. Okay, so with all this information, we have all the prices for all our libraries. The cool thing of that is that if suddenly we have a rise or a drop in the gold price, silver price, whatever, the only thing that we need to do is just come here, edit this price. I wish it will be 25. Just say 35, sorry, 35. And done. So now the cloud is recalculating all the prices for all our models. What else? Labor cost per hour. Here anybody can put their own cost, and just say that you are not a workshop, or you don't need to put any labor cost there because you are a shop or you are a designer, so this is not in your design. You don't need to put anything here, but just say that you are a workshop and you think that in this model, here first we have to put the price per hour and then the labor profit, just say 25%. You can keep this in 0, there's a lot of options. Save changes. And the last thing, gems. This is probably the most complicated part, because as you know, there is a lot of different ranges of stones, prices, so we try to do it as easy as we can. Here we have the materials. Because we started creating that piece, the cloud already found all the materials that we input, and he put it here, and he's asking us, the price of some range must be set. So he's detecting that there is materials without any price, and we need to set it to the cloud be able to put the final price. There is another way that we can do that. If we don't have any model, and before you start to put into the cloud all the models, you can come here and just add a new gem, as you can see here, and you can edit, and you can put all the different prices that you want. Let's go for the ones that we already have in our model. So it says here that the price of some range must be set. We go to edit, and this is the stones that we find. So just say, look, I will have a range of prices between 001 and yeah, I think that we can say 005. We delete this one, this one. Now it's in red because he's detecting that we have another range that is inside the same range. So the cloud is thinking, I don't need two ranges for the same price. So if this range is already inside this range, let's gonna make just one and simplify everything. 6, price per carat just 700, and the profit that we want in that is a 30%. Save changes. So you see, now it says me that from this range to this range is already set. Let's gonna do the same for this one. Delete this one, this one, this one. 001, 006. Save changes. And this is this stone we will put from 0.25 to 0.30. Price per carat, I don't know, 500. 20%. Save changes. And this one, do the same. Sorry, I forgot. 3. As you can see here, after we set it, still is asking us or saying to us the price of same range must be set. So what I'm forgetting here, here we go, the price. Profit 0 or just say 20. Done. And this one, edit, and the same. good. This is the one that I have created. I don't need it here because I don't have any design with this stone. Alright, so from here we have everything. Timing, so you see the labor is set for this model. We have all these gems and we have all this metal set. Then timing, delivery time that we can have to finish this piece and send it to the customer. In this part, if you put the delivery time, the shipment cost, this price will be reflected in the final price. But if you don't put it in there, the price that you will see is the cost of producing that stone. It won't say price not available. Themes. This is just in case that you want to change your layout. You have these ones that is coming from RhinoGold, and then advanced you can do whatever you want with your logo, anything that you need here. Integration, I think that this is very important as well. Here you have all the information you need to integrate the cloud into your website. So as you can here, we tell everything that you need to know. You can also directly include one of the categories showing or hiding the header included by RhinoGold Cloud. And here you have all the iframes that you need to put it into your website code. So you have it like this. So we have different options. All right, so I think that I showed you the most important things of the cloud. I think that will be a very successful and powerful tool, because every time we have more models, we design more rings, more earrings, and it's good to have first a good library where to organize all our models, and second, to have the capability to show all these models with different options to everybody. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.